We all spend time keeping the outside of our car clean, but we don't often consider how clean our engine is. Over time, harmful deposits build up, which can hamper an engine's output, leading to sluggish performance, reduced efficiency, and shortening of your engine's lifespan. Introducing Gulf Max engine oils with engine clean technology. Contains antioxidants that help to delay oil oxidation. Engine clean agents in Gulf Max lubricants hold deposit particles in suspension, which helps to prevent harmful buildup and keeps your engine cleaner and healthier for longer. Choose Gulf Max for engine durability. Together, we're unstoppable.